on the 6th of May 2021, a group of bandits, which euphemistically are referred to as unknown gunmen in some parlance, attempted to attack Orlu Divisional Headquarters and the area command headquarters of the Nigerian Police Force, both in the same location in Orlu, the local government headquarters. But these bandits were successfully repelled. In addition, the operatives of IG Response Team IRT, in conjunction with special forces and other tactical assets of the command, engaged them in fierce shootout in a bid to dislodge them from the property to be attacked, in a bid to prevent them from killing the policemen working in the police station. And in the ensuing gun-bound battle, they met their Waterloo. However, 4 members of the gallant security forces of Nigeria sustained minor injuries, but no fatality. These people, from our inquiry so far, interim reports available to me, are part of the larger criminal gang that attacked the Correctional Services Center in the state capital and the police headquarters on 5th of April 2021.